Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa67's Workshop, and welcome to part 46 of Build the Legendary Cyborg RoboCop from our good friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to build this iconic model, head over to this link here. It's also in the description below the video there. That'll take you to the website where you can take out a subscription for this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Partwork, folks. So we've got the history of RoboCop there, to become threat. The complicated beginning of the third RoboCop movie. Yes, it was a little bit complicated. So there you go. Bit more behind the scenes there on the movie, the characters. You've got your data files there, all your information. Now today we're doing part one of the pelvis. We're beginning to get to that stage, folks, where we're now assembling the pelvis, ready to get to the stage where we start putting the legs and that on, folks. Okay, so we've got the rear part of the pelvis today, and we've got some of the mechanisms that are going to go in place to enable the legs to friction fit and stay in place so that you can pose your RoboCop. So this is what we've got. We've got the pelvis, we've got some knurled fittings, some springs and a screw. Nice easy episode today, folks, so you'll be done in no time today. This is what you've got. That's where it's going, just in there, and you're attaching it and fixing it in place with the screws and the springs. And this is where it's going to be. It's basically his buttocks. Here's where it's going to be, just under there, ready for these hip joints to be assembled at a later stage. And that's what it's going to look like when it's on your RoboCop, folks. So so far we've got a whole arm and both legs built, and his head and a few chest panels. So we're getting close to doing the torso and that now. So yeah, looking forward to that. Next up, we've got Maggie, small but adorable. And isn't she adorable, folks? Come on, absolutely lovely. A friendly appearance for interacting with humans, because no matter what, humans do like a friendly face. It's just something in our DNA. It just is. And yeah, this is gene editing. Really going into a complex area there, and both morally and everything, isn't it? I like the idea of being able to help people with existing disabilities and things like that by perhaps helping them out that way. But where does it end? Makes you wonder, doesn't it? Some more information on it, and then medicines of the future there, you know, where they're hoping to put this type of stuff in a pill where you take it and it'll resequence your DNA. Quite scary technology, but yeah, I mean, if someone's got the paralysis and things like that, and they could take something like that and it helps them suddenly get mobility back, what a wonderful thing. Helping people that may be visually impaired see again and stuff. So I like it, but also you worry, would they manipulate it to create a different race? I don't know. But anyway, I digress. Give them a read, folks. There's loads of interesting information in these, and it really does get you thinking. So I'm just going to flick back and get the parts out so that we can start a bit of assembly for you. There you go. Nice and easy today. So you've got your pelvis section there. This is die cast, so it's got a nice bit of weight to it. And what you're doing is you're dropping the springs in place, which is there. You've got a screw coming through the back there, like so. He's coming up through there. And literally that's going into place. And then that is going to sit like so, the other way round, with its knurled section facing you. And you've got a tab there that's going to sit in that little recess, so that when this all gets tightened up with the other parts, that's going to lock that in place, folks. And it'll basically go into the hip joints so that you can manipulate the legs. So you've got the other part of the joint that will sit there that the legs will then screw to, folks, okay? So it is literally that simple today. That's all you're doing, is that. Doesn't seem a lot, but when you look at where your legs are going to join, you've got these little hip joints there. They'll go on to another part that then's going to lock into these and you'll then fix it all together, folks. So we are getting close to that stage where legs will get attached in a future issue. So I'm going to leave you there. Many thanks for watching, folks. Bear in mind, if you want to build along with me, head over to the Fanhome website there by following the link. There's a clickable link in the description. Take out your subscription to your RoboCop and you can join us and build along with us, folks. It really is a spectacular piece of work, this Partwork, and you won't be disappointed. Also, to help me out, if you could click the little fester in the corner there and ring the bell and subscribe to my channel, that'll make my day, helps me grow, and by ringing the bell you'll get notified of future content, folks. So until the next issue, stay safe and well. Bye bye for now.